Hi everybody, it's Jenn and Kanata. I'm just doing a video today on Abby's lunches for the first week of school from September 3rd to September 6th. Hopefully you enjoy it. Bye! See you in the next clip.
Today is the first day back at school, and here is Abby's lunch. She has a cereal bar that I made yesterday, some Triscuit crackers, some meat. I'm trying one of these little cheese stick things. It's like an old cheddar. And here we put a peach wrapped in a paper towel. It's September 4th, day 2 of lunches. This is Abby's lunch. She didn't eat this part of her lunch when we were at Chew yesterday because it had the peanut butter bar in it, and she didn't want to contaminate the children's hospital. So I added some 2 cheese slices that are Swiss with some meat and some crackers. She had a little bit of that yesterday, and some more bar, as well as an apple, and then a Boost, as well as her iced tea, which is just cold tea with lemon. So it is Thursday, September 5th, and here's Abby's lunch. I made her a little tomato cheese salad. So these are little small balls of mozzarella bocchini balls cut in half, baby tomatoes, a little bit of pesto, and some balsamic vinaigrette and some steak spice. And then these are seed and nut clusters, trying to use up what I have covered. There's still a little bit left. She likes them. And then I have a fruit squeezy, tropical fruit, an apple, and a chocolate covered granola bar, because next week we are going to try and do FODMAP meals. So these things she can't have. I'm going to have to try and find other fruit squeezies that are pure individual fruits, because these ones have apples, and apples are supposedly high on the FODMAP group, and same with the chocolate in the milk, like the milk in the chocolate. So the salad she could probably have without pesto, but with just basil, because pesto has garlic. So, but yeah, everything else. And the seed nut clusters I just saw, it was all good except for they had some onion in it. So that's not on the FODMAP thing. So we're having these things so that she can have them, because for the next 8 weeks she won't be able to. So it is Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday. Here's my Abby's lunch. She's having 2 of the homemade pizza pockets that she can heat up. An apple, granola bar, and a tropical fruit squeezy. And she didn't finish her nut and seed clusters from yesterday. They're about half done, so she's going to have that as well. Another week finished. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.